it can take our vision and take our life also.
Kwingineko mtazamaji, wabunge wamekosoa uteuzi wa Abdullahi Sagaf ALAWY kuwa mwenyekiti wa tume ya kitaifa ya ardhi. Kamati ilionyesha kukerwa baada ya mwenyekiti huyo mteule kushindwa kujibu maswali kama ilivyohitajika, hali iliyozua wasiwasi kuhusu uwezo wake wa kushika wadhifa huo. ALAWY ni miongoni mwa walioteuliwa 6 na Rais William Ruto kusimamia tume hiyo ya ardhi.
Yeah, that's what we are trying to follow up. Actually, he's answering a question which you didn't even ask.
I have an example to share on that. Recently, we recovered, I believe, 200 acres from our ranch in Nakuru that we had lost. So that is back into the, I may not have the acreage number exactly, but that's about roughly that size of the land. We recovered it and it is back, and it happened during my tenure.
Based on your experience, NEA experience, what do you see as the key similarities of how you are handling NEA and how you will combat the same here at NLC?
And land fraud, they are similar because most of them, both of them are involved. They are actually meted on the vulnerable members of the society, and it includes, both of them also include collusion. I mean, it is collusion by those cartels and players in the sector with officials of the organizations.
Wakazi pamoja